in 3 words, how can you describe Tola Fadugbe? Just 3 words.
3 words.
Yes, try. Let's try.
3 words. How can I describe Tola? Tola is quite difficult to describe.
Let's try. Let's pick something. Just 1 word.
Okay, if you say in 1 word, blunt.
Blunt. Okay, I think that's also a good word. Thank you very much.
It's also bold.
It's also bold. Now we're getting to the third one.
And
Third
he's a
one.
man of integrity.
Is that Tola Fadugbe? Can you hear? You can hear from him. You are blunt. You are what else?
Bold.
Bold. Okay.
Is a unique man full of knowledge and excitement.
Okay, so say knowledge, unique, and excitement. In 3 words, describe Fadugbe.
Hardworking,
Hardworking,
smart.
smart.
I think he has a good heart. Yeah,
Has a good heart.
has a good heart. So I don't know. I'm not close.
Okay.
Yeah, but from afar, I could tell.
In 3 words, how can you describe Tola Fadugbe? Just 3 words.
First, he's a very interesting person.
Interested,
He's also a very passionate person too,
passionate.
especially when it has to do with crypto and blockchain education.
Yeah.
And of course, now he's also the sugar daddy.
I've said it
He's
though.
also a sugar daddy.
Wow. Tola is amazing.
Amazing,
He's spontaneous.
spontaneous,
He is resourceful.
resourceful. Spell Fadugbe backwards for me.
That's tough. I won't try.
You don't want to try
I don't want to
at all.
No.
Let me try and say it again. Fadugbe.
Okay, EBGAGBAF.
You tried. You tried. I wasn't able to keep it off, but I think you tried. Help me spell his surname backwards. Fadugbe.
I can't even pronounce it.
I'm pronouncing it already for you. So just follow what I'm.
Fadugbe.
Fadugbe. Let's try. All right.
B G U
No.
Fadugbe. I feel.
I want you to spell Tola Fadugbe's surname from the back. So Fadugbe from the back.
I can't even spell.
Backwards. That's what I'm saying it again. Fadugbe.
I should pronounce it.
Yes, from the back. Backwards. Just spell it backwards.
Pronounce it again.
Fadugbe. Backwards.
Fadugbe.
Yeah. Just try.
Do fa.
Yeah. So spell it one after the other.
I should pronounce it or spell the words.
Spell it. Spell the words backward.
Like I should spell the words out for you.
Yes. The way you're looking at me like this is so hard.
No, I'm not so used to Yoruba words.
Okay. I'm going to let you go on this one.
Okay.
Thank you for being here on the red carpet with
it's
me.
really-
I want you to spell his surname backwards.
Oh my goodness.
Trey Fadugbe. Try.
B.
Let's try.
B. E. H.
No.
B.
Yes.
E. There should be H. No.
No.
G.
No.
B. Okay. B.
Yes.
B. There should be G. Fadugbe. So A. B. U.
No.
Fadu. I've gotten to that.
Fadugbe.
Yeah.
Ba. No, you have not passed the Gbagbe part. You just finished B.
Ba. Okay. A. B. U. D.
You really tried. You have tried.
F.
For fun's sake, if I should give you 1 Bitcoin or give you the simplified cryptocurrency book, which one will you choose?
Oh, right now, I'll take the 1 Bitcoin because already what is there, it's something that we share. So I'll take the 1 Bitcoin and I'll buy the book and add to it.
That's smart. smart. I should put a Bitcoin and give you Tola Fadugbabi's book. Which will you choose?
Okay, I'll choose the book because knowledge is power.
Why do I feel like you're a little bit shaky about it?
I'm not shaky.
You choose the book.
What brought me this far is information.
Wow.
So if you don't have information about the crypto, you won't even want to go there. So the book can be an eye opener, can give me more secrets, more insights
To get more Bitcoins.
Yeah.
If I should give you one Bitcoin and give you the simplified cryptocurrency book, which will you choose?
Fortunately, I've been in the space for a while, so I'll go for.
Putting in mind
Yeah.
that the book is going to be sold on limited edition. So you can't really have so much of it in circulation right now. So if you don't buy it now, you will get it again.
Okay, so the question is, I have an option of either you give me one Bitcoin,
Or the book.
give me the Bitcoin, I'll buy the book.
What if you don't get to have the
I'm
book
still here.
later?
I'm still here. I've never bought one already. Give me the one Bitcoin.
If I give you the book
Yeah.
and I give you one Bitcoin, which will you choose?
I think right now the book.
You go for the book.
Yes, I'll go for the book because I believe there are lots of informations, that I can read that would fetch me much more than
Than the Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. You can see now that women are not as materialistic as you claim them to be.
Yeah.
We are very intentional human beings. I need you to point out 3 words from cryptocurrency. Can you do that?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Currency.
Okay.
Crypto.
You can't find any other one.
Yeah, what? Cryptocurrency, right?
Yes.
Any word even outside of
No, it has to follow that sequence, cryptocurrency. So let's find some. You already said cryptocurrency. Is crypt a word? Crypt
no, it's a word, but
is encrypt.
yeah, encrypt. So I was asking if the word does it have to be something related to crypto.
Yes, it. No, not necessarily.
TO. Yeah, so crypto.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm Chibuze Chuta.
Paul Ezaflube, team lead, BitGet Africa.
Keep watching Crypto TV Plus.
Crypto TV Plus.